Take a look at this juicy homemade pickle. I see no issue with having pickles for breakfast.
I see no issue either. Pregnant, maybe? Just thought I'd ask.
God, I hope not. My dad's at home watching like, what? We're just spending the morning out here in Navan, now that I'm in a very awkward situation. Put there by the Executive Director of ICSS, Jeannie Champagne. Good morning.
Good morning. How
I'm
are
loving
you?
the outfit. I've told you this a few times.
Thank you, thank you.
So who has made these delicious dill pickles?
The pickles that we grow the cucumbers here, and then they're picked and taken into our support program in Orleans. And Tina is our main cook, if you want to call it. She does all the jams with the participants.
Okay.
So Chris and Melissa, and there's a whole pile of ladies and gentlemen that help do all this.
Okay, so for people, there's Chris. Good morning, Chris. So for people who may have missed our conversation earlier in the morning, what exactly happens here at Sow and Grow Hobby Farm?
Out here we do a lot of programming for adults with disabilities. We have therapeutic riding that we are going to be starting up this year with Sky, and Sky's brother Mick is outside. And the benefits to that are people, you know, with wheelchairs or disabilities, they can actually move on their own with staff with them and take the horses. So it's great.
And it's not only the horses that's giving those who are in wheelchairs that feeling of freedom. What's the newest introduction?
We have a handicapped wheelchair accessible swing. It was put together here, it's on the farm. And again, we have individuals in wheelchairs that they get on the swing, the wheelchair's tied down, and they can swing, and they absolutely love it.
Okay.
If you were, you know, unfortunately the rain, we did have a demonstration for you, but yeah, it's fantastic.
Okay. So now we've got a table filled with different products here. Let's start with the pillows. What's special about them?
Well, the pillows, all of our stuff, a lot of our materials are donated. We have a social enterprise where the individuals that work within our programs can sell these. We make money, it comes back into the program. So we have a different way to do different pillows. Some are done with pedals under your arm to make the machine work and everything. And most of our materials are donated from fabric stores that are getting rid of ends and everything, which we'll take lots of if people are doing.
Okay, now I've got my eye on some more of the preserves. I've got to tell you, Jeannie, I don't recognize this. What exactly is it?
This is called Lady Rose Pickles. It's a recipe of my mom's actually, and I brought it in, and Tina was able to make up a whole bunch of bottles because I was out of them.
Okay.
And I'm not very good at this stuff. So we brought it in, and Tina made thousands, and I think I have every one of them.
Okay.
So yeah, and everything that we have in here is grown out here, and then
it all comes back.
It all comes back.
So the Sow and Grow Hobby Farm has been about 4 years in the making, but you're still missing a big piece of the puzzle. What is it?
We need a barn.
Okay.
We have all these animals. We don't have a barn. I have about 50 people that are willing to start shoveling and start building the barn, but we need the materials. And because we're fundraising for it, we're looking for lots of materials, donations. They can do it on our website. They can call me.
What's your website?
www.icss.ca.
Perfect. Okay, head there if you'd like to learn more information about the program and how you could help. Coming up later in the morning, we've got animals, we've got scones. Lots to come from the Sow and Grow Hobby Farm here in Navan.